morning everyone. Today is day 9 of the plank challenge and today we are going to be holding the plank for 50 seconds. So let's get started. Now let's warm up. I want you to spread your legs shoulder width apart. Raise your hands in the T position and now like this. But first we'll be going to the right side 3 times and then to the left side 3 times. Okay? Now to the right side. 1, 2, 3. To the left side, right side. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now some simple wrist rotations. 3 outside, 3 inside and then some out-ins. Okay? 1, 2, 3 inside, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now some out-ins. 1, 2, 3. Some shoulder rotations. 3 back, 3 forward. 1, 2, 3 forward, 3, 2, 1. Now I'd like to tell you that you know your body, or you know its capacity. So if you feel that you're not yet ready for day 9, you can always go back to the previous days, do it again and then come back when you are ready. Because you know your body better than everyone else. Don't compare yourself, everyone is different. Okay, and as we always say, exercise is not torturing your body. So when you are ready, come on, we'll do it together. Okay, so the timer is set for 1 minute, giving you 10 seconds to get ready and 50 seconds to do the plank. Okay, so let's start. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. When the timer reaches 50, raise and plank. 50 seconds is started. Maintain the correct posture. Don't let your hips go down or up. Keep your core tight. You may feel some tension in your wrists and in your core, but don't let it wrong your posture. Hold the posture, hold it correct. There are just 15 more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Now go down into child's posture. Child. And up. Now let's cool down. For cool down, we'll be doing some new stretches. Okay. Spread your hands out with your thumb pointing downwards. Now push your hands back. You should squeeze your shoulder blades and you should feel the stretch across your chest. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your thumb and point it upwards. Now do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now stand up. Clasp your fingers behind your back and pull. Okay. Now wrist rotations. 3 outside, 3 inside. 1, 2, 3 inside, 3, 2, 1. Now hold your wrist, inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. Other wrist, inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. Now shoulder rotations, 3 back, 3 forward. 1, 2, 3 forward, 3, 2, 1. That's it. That was day 9. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m. Stay tuned and thank you.